I'm Sandhani Talukdar. Correct. बस सिकुटी बना लगे तो सिकुटी से भाई.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I have a special friend with me. Introduce yourself. Hi guys, I'm Sandhani Talukdar. Correct. And we have been best friends
Since 14 years.
yeah,
It's a huge
14
time.
years. Yes. And we also want to shout out to our other best friend.
Shahnaz, we miss you a lot.
No, we don't. But she forced us to give her a shout out, so we are doing that. It was a forced request, and we are bound to introduce her. Okay, so this video is going to be very long because I don't think so we are going to finish it quite soon because
We'll try. She's beating me really hard.
we'll try our best because whenever we are together we do a lot of crazy things, so I really hope this video turns out well. So yeah, today we are going to do my best friend's makeover. As you can see, she's very ugly.
No, very pretty.
And
I'll open
now-
my hand and I'll show you guys that I'm very pretty.
So today I'm going to transform her. See, she's very ugly. Now I'm going to make her beautiful.
She's just jealous of me.
No, why should I be jealous of you? Ugh.
Pretty obviously.
Ugh. I'm taller than you.
So, do I look like I can?
Yeah, you can. It looks like you can. Oh, it's okay. We both are pretty. We love ourselves a lot. We love each other and we don't need anyone to love ourselves. So, okay, we'll start now.
I'm very scared.
Okay, so now we'll start transforming our best friend.
She's going to turn me into a joker. Guys, help me.
Okay, let's. Oh please, I'm not going to turn you into a joker, okay?
I'm
You do
ready.
it. So we have all my makeup products here, so I'm going to use all of this. Turn around. Okay, now so we'll start. I don't know how it will turn, but I'll try my best. So since she has a lot of acne problems, no, that is not true even. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a BB cream because she said that foundation doesn't suit her skin. So yeah.
I never said that.
Should I show them the messages? So yeah, I'm going to use the BB cream.
If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it was.
So we became best friends when we were small, when we were in class 1.
Yeah.
Yes, and she was a gundi back then.
I used to beat everyone. I used to beat the shit out of her.
Yes, and I was very straight, सीधा साधा भोला वाला बच्चा who listens to मने everyone and cries मने if something little happens. I was a very सीधा बच्चा and she was a very gundi one. But now we have turned the opposite. I am the gundi one now and I
I'm the
bully
bhola
her.
one.
Yeah.
No, she doesn't bully me. She doesn't have the guts to bully me.
Oh really?
What the hell?
Oh really? Shahnaz and I, we both bully her.
Huh? No.
Yes.
We bully Shahnaz or you.
No, you guys never bully me. Actually, we bully each and every one of us. Yes.
Oh no.
That's what best friends are for, right? So now I'm going to apply the concealer. So I'm taking my wet and wild concealer.
Wet and wet painting है থাকে কি রে wet and wet concealer থাকে
Wet n Wild concealer. She doesn't know anything about makeup, so please excuse
Because
her.
I'm, natural beauty, so I don't need to put makeup on my face.
Shut up, okay. So shut up. She does a lot of makeup for information. Whenever it's your birthday or something,
Eh?
you do makeup.
I only put lipstick and eyeliner, nothing else. Please don't believe her, guys.
It's my channel. You should believe me.
So what?
Shut up. Oh God, this video is going to be a lot. Okay, so this video is going to be a lot of chaotic. I don't know because she is here.
I'm here.
मेरे चैनल को डुबाने आई है ये.
मेरे वजह से ही ऊपर में जाएगा क्या? समझ के रखना है?
Okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see. Look at that.
What's wrong with my face?
It's
I
okay.
told you guys she is going to turn me into a joke.
Oh please, first it will look like
Okay,
a
okay.
joker, then only the result will come out, bomb.
Will you please help me out? I need to go and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy, but I am ready with my suitcase by me. Buckets of water, millions of clouds.
So for the next step, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do her eyes. So first I'll do her brows.
Wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance.
Okay, so the next step I'm going to do her eyes. So we are going to do a
Pink.
Okay, so we are going to do a pink eyes. So,
Baby pink guys.
Yes, so let's get started. Okay, for the lids I'm going to take this light brown color. So yes.
Wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause
So now I'm going to take a shimmer color and just pat it on her lids.
space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though.
So for the next step I'm going to take a kajal and just apply it on her waterline.
Come the stars don't shine when it's day. How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away. Watching you hopelessly.
বা চকুৰ ভিতৰত সোমাই দিছ ভাল লাগিছে দেই মই এনেকুৱা লাগিছে মোৰ মণিটো পিংক কালাৰ হৈ গৈছে Do it properly.
So okay, for the next step I'm going to do her eyeliner. So yes, I have my eyeliner right here and I'm going to do it. Eyes closed, baby.
I look good, no?
Yes, I'm a nice.
Thanks to my.
Yes, makeup artist. That's why. Call me when you get married. Okay, I will do your makeup.
Don't call me.
I am going to come only, no? So for the next step, I'm going to do the contour.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason.
Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to do the highlighter.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up in paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the fun.
Okay, so for the last step, I'm going to do the blush.
এতিয়া নাচামি না মই লাষ্টত দেখাম নহয় তো
কাহি ললি impatience সারা
এইবিলাক কাটিবি না কাটো কাটো
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Okay, so now for the last step, the final step, which is a lipstick. So I choose a lipstick for you, wait.
ধুনীয়াকৈ লাইট চাই দিবি না
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
So I won't let her see herself now. She already did for most of the parts, but now I won't let her see. Now I'll transfer her hair and her clothes.
কিবা করব
Butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
So go and change your clothes. So yes, we'll see what the results are after a little bit. So till then, stay tuned.
But I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved than missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up.
So this is the after. Pretty lady, sexy lady on the floor. She will come like I don't know the lyrics. The first time for her doing so much makeup, but she looks pretty and cute. So yeah, that's it for today. So today's video was not a serious one. We kept it quite natural and funny. So yeah, this is my best friend and I did her makeup and she turned out so pretty. So yeah, that's all.
I feel like I'm a princess.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching me and my best friend do shitty things.
Bye guys, love you.
Bye. Bye. We will be back with another video.
Yes.
So yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye bye.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess it's the voice, the stress of falling out of it.